Hello everyone, welcome back to this new video tutorial. Today's topic is how to find out the combination of numbers that is added up to a total. In this Excel sheet I have some invoice numbers and invoice amount. Let's assume a situation. Suppose that you have to do payment to the supplier for these invoice numbers. By adding few invoice amounts from this list, you issued a check to the supplier and the check amount is 329558, and later you forgot which invoice amounts are actually added to calculate this amount. So in this case, here I am going to show you how you can find out the combination of numbers which are added to this specific total. And to do this, we can create here a custom function by using VBA. And here I have the required VBA code in this notepad document. I'll provide this code download link in the video description below, from where you can copy this code. First of all, select all this code, copy it, go to Microsoft Excel, then click on the Developer tab, then Visual Basic. In the VBA window, click on the Insert, then Module. Here in this module, paste the code that you copied. And here remove this first option explicit because this is repeating 2 times. Close the VBA window, and here in Excel sheet, if you press equal to, then type find, you will see this find combination function. Double click on this function to choose. Now select the invoice amount range from where you have taken few invoice amounts to calculate this total. Then put a comma. In the second parameter, click on this total amount. Then close bracket, press enter. And here you can see the combination of numbers are given. You have added this amount plus this amount plus this amount plus this amount to calculate this check amount of 329558. So by creating a custom function using VBA, you can find out the combination of numbers that is added up to a specific total. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you again in next tutorial.